Hi boys and girls, today you'll be playing an adding fractions either with like or unlike denominators. This is a board game, so you will need one of the boards, a set of cards, and one die. You also need something to use as a marking piece as you play the game. So the game is the same whether you are playing with like or unlike denominators. So you decide who's going to go first and you roll the die. You get the number of spaces that you will move if you solve your problem correctly. So you will roll your die, maybe you get a 2. So if you're on the start button, you will potentially move to this space if you get the correct answer on your card that you turn over. So you're going to turn over a card. The cards look something like this. And perhaps you get 1/2 plus 2/3. So if you are adding with unlike denominators, you need to make the denominators the same. So I could make this 3/6. This would become 4/6. So 3/6 plus 4/6 is 7/6. So if I get that correct, then I get to move my piece, my 2 spaces, to here. You will see that along the way there are some different kind of traps, whether it's a good or a bad consequence for you along the way, and the first person to make it to the end wins. And you do not have to hit this space exactly to end the game to win, just get past this last one. So if you are here and only need a roll of 1 to make it, you could roll 5 and still get there, if that makes sense. So have fun playing. Make sure that you are checking each other's work and you agree that your answer is correct or not. And always use your best teamwork and life skills when you're playing this game.